Hi everyone, Kevin here. So I'm going to do a quick little opening of some insulation wrap I bought for my car. So I'll just show you what's inside the box. Got this off Amazon. So basically open it up, a pair of gloves because get some stainless steel ties. So you get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flare-on ones and 6 short ones, which is good. And then you get the fiberglass wrap. And from what I can tell looking at it, it looks pretty thick. So it looks pretty decent. And then basically the instructions. And that's it, just showing you how to do it. So this is just a quick little video to show you what was in this, just in case you're curious, because you know they always show you something on Amazon, you never get to see what it really like. So do a quick little video for everybody so you can actually see what you get when you buy it. Okay, hope that helps you out. Anybody's interested, I'll show you guys what this looks like when I put it on my car. Okay, take care.